Hi guys, welcome back for that second part of this video, and I a little bit calculated without talking because it's simply much faster, and yeah, I eliminated several options and I came to the conclusion like after bc4 and bc4 king f8, queen d5, queen c7, rook g7, rook g7, queen g8, king e7, queen g7, king e8, bb5, bd7, bd7, queen d7, queen g8, king e7, queen e8. It's double attack. a5 hangs, f8 is the queen f8 is the threat, and also white is already up a pawn and all the pawns on the dark squares, so it has to be winning. Yes, so it's I checked like defensive tricks like bc4 d5 doesn't work, queen takes d5, put more pressure on f7, and b6 simply also doesn't work much, like queen e6, b6, g7 hangs, maybe king f8, no, it doesn't work too. Yeah, so bc4 he cannot play queen c7, rook g7, only move king f8, so queen d5, and again there is no much to do. Maybe b6 at some point, but as I said, in this case this bishop is stronger than the rook. Yeah, so still he has no moves like queen c7 and then rook takes g7. Maybe some tricks with b6 here, but it doesn't make sense again. Like yeah, also no tricks, and he has to take, and it's just too easy like to be true. But I don't see what he can do. Like interferences with d5, b6 we checked, and at some point bd4 in between. Yeah, at some point bd4 bh2 in between at some point. Let's check carefully. bc4, king f8, queen d5, queen c7, rook takes g7. If he plays bd4, I play king h1, I improve my king. What's wrong with that? And after rook takes g7, nothing changed. Yeah, nothing changed. Okay, I mean, take risk. Probably I'm wrong, and but let's see what he does. Oops, and bc4 is wrong. Okay, what did I miss? How do you think, guys? d5, b6, bf5 ideas at some point? No. Queen d5 in the first move. Yeah, move further. bd4 I missed. Oh my god. I mean, the first move bd4 controls queen d5. I mean, I just accuracy, guys. Accuracy is my mistake. Sometimes we just need to check move further. bd4 blockade queen d5, and that's it. Queen d5 is right, but oh, with another move further. But it's basically changed answers, and c4 king h1. King f8, bc4, queen c7. The same idea. c2 is hanging at the end of the day. I don't. Oh, second mistake. Wow. I mean, don't allow counterplay with queen f2. Yeah. Really? I didn't think it will work at any point. Like, I didn't think any counterplay will work. Like, wow. King f1 eliminates queen f2. It's simple, but I didn't think king h1 may not work at some point, at any point. Wow. This is, by the way, much more tricky than I was thinking. And now candidates moves bc4 and rook g7, bc4 also, because he can defend g7 only with the queen, but he doesn't have to defend. Like the same line, bc4, queen c7, and rook g7 has to be winning. Well, let's check. I mean, we already messed it up. But I miss some tricks like BD4 interference, obviously. BD4 is simple, like it's simple comparison BC4 or Queen D5, and I simply missed. It's not BD4, it's B6. It's change move order, probably B6 still. Oh. Really? I thought it's better for white, no? Can you shade? And GH have to be F7. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. I mean, this idea is nice, like, wow. And there is no... G8 is defended, G7 is not the outcome. Because I don't have dark square bishop, he has. Oh, this is nice. Like, this idea I love. Like, start the bishop back. And he even suggests this line. Takes, E7, King H8. Takes, Queen G4. And it's still fine, just fine. Wow. Black still fine. At the end of the line. Yeah. And this position is equal, which is hard to evaluate because this bishop c4 is obviously stronger than the rook, but there is no way to break through. Of course, I would pick white all the time, but maybe not that simple. If he can sacrifice back, rook takes c6, I'm in trouble. Maybe not that simple. I saw b6, but I simply did not see this idea like king h8 and gh. Another way bd4, but bd4 is not that big problem. Yeah, still king f8 doesn't work. Yeah. Oh, this one I misevaluated this too. Rook g8, king e7, these types of positions. Now c3 is the move. a3 is the move. Hello, what? a3? Seriously? Nonsense. Yeah, but now there is c3. And the idea, I remember, this position I remember. Oh, just silently bd5 and white is... Yeah, rook g8 isn't just a beast, rook a8 is just out of play. And it's just positionally winning, yeah. Queen e6 make a lot of sense, connect pieces. But then bc4, disconnect them back, and queen h5, okay. d5? Wait. What? b... d5... Queen a6, bc4, b5, or did I miss? Queen d5, yeah. Obviously. So bd4 is a shame to miss. b6, nice defensive trick. I mean, I just did not put enough effort, which is common problem with these types of puzzles. And what else? bd4, move further, yeah. Then the another point happened after queen d5, c4, and king f1 defending against queen f2, but I misevaluated this too, like, wow, hardly misevaluated. Yeah, rook d7, king h8, wow. Just poor me. Okay. Yeah, very poor by me. Like, I mean, I saw this idea, but I just badly misevaluated. Very badly. And c4 king f1 is just obvious move. So two things I missed: c4 queen f2, which I saw, bd4 I saw in another variations I also kind of missed interference. Like, I mean, this is the first thing I need to check all the interferences as defensive tricks, but I checked only b6, and by the way b6 is working after takes king h8. Wow, this is very, all of these mistakes are very good. All of these mistakes are very good. Most of the time we miss interferences and yeah, and sacrificing back to survive. All of these defensive ideas are cool. Like, and king f1 just to prevent queen f2 is simple, but yet useful. Okay guys, this is a good example for you how not to solve puzzles, and do not repeat my mistakes. Train harder. Thank you so much for watching this video.